What is up, everyone? This is Jeff with Game Day Legends coming at you with another first look. We got Donruss 2025 Mega Baseball cards. We got the Target Mega Boxes. These are going to have 6 packs, 20 cards per pack, so we got 120 cards per box. We're looking for the autographs or 2 memorabilia cards. And here's everything you can get. We got the exclusive Signature Series 1997 Retro Series, and we are also on the lookout for the Whammy Ultra Rare insert. Here's everything that you can get in this. Super awesome. I love me some Donruss. I am a big fan of unlicensed baseball. We got 2 of these boxes, so let's get into it. Might be a little bit longer of a video today. Hope you guys stick around, see the hits. I've already opened up a first off the line and Hobby Blasters, so hopefully you guys have checked out those. Videos. Hopefully you guys are having a great Sunday. I know I am, because I am opening up some Donruss baseball. Hopefully we get some autos, but memorabilia cards are cool with me too. So we'll just open each box at a time. Let's get into it. Got a lot of cards, gonna have a lot of base. So we'll just try to get through this, and they're gonna be upside down, I guarantee you. So let's get it going. And if I see anybody noteworthy, we got Jace Young on the Rated Rookie, Ian Kinsler for my Rangers, Evan Carter for my Rangers. There you go. We got Luis Angel Acuna on the Rated Rookie paper. And here's our red and blue of Robin Ventura. Nice. He's out of the way. Rookies and prospects in the middle. Inserts over to the right. Then we got the Don Mattingly in the Statue of Liberty. Now the blasters, you're going to get the rocket emojis. We got a rated rookie of JD Dix, a rated prospect on the red and blue. Then we got a blue laser of Dalton Rushing on the rated prospect. These are not numbered, I don't believe. No. Very nice. And then we got Chase Dollander, rated prospect on the Statue of Liberty. Bobby Witt Jr. on the blue. That is sweet. Not numbered. We're going to put Bobby up there. Alright, then we go backwards. Optic of Eddie Matthews. And then we got our prospects. Spencer Jones. Trey Morgan. Kendall George. All right, so first pack, a success. Nice little Bobby Witt color match there, almost. Looks like we're gonna be getting, no, looked like a mem card. They were just stuck together. All right, let's just go through the base here. Sometimes you're gonna find a rated rookie. Jacob Wilson, shout out to Vegas Sean. Like I just said, here you go, Kumar Rocker on the rated rookie. Here we go. We got Dustin Pedora on the red and blue. All right, here we go. Statue of Liberty, Jimmy Rollins. Then we got a Malcolm Moore for my Rangers, rated prospect. Ooh, look at that one. That Aaron Judge, that is sweet. Not numbered, but man, that is awesome looking. All right, there you go. And then we got Carson Williams on the rated prospect optic. We got Manny Martinez on the optic, and we got the Unleashed of, God, I don't know how to say his name, but that is an awesome looking card. All right, we got Braylon Daltrey, Cam Caminetti, Bryce Eldridge, Franklin Arias for your Boston Red Sox. Shout out to Old Guy with a Camera and a Dream, our resident Red Sox fan. Also a Corbin Carroll fan. I don't know if he's a Diamondback fan. I'm sure he will let me know. Aaron Judge. I do pull a lot of Aaron Judges. We got looks like Roger Clemens on the Red Sox. We got Andrew Jones on the red and blue. We got Billy Amick out of 99, 29 out of 99. Nice. Is that up there? And we got Jeff Bagwell on the Statue of Liberty. Brock Wilkin on the laser. Man, there's just a lot of color, a lot of parallels. Cooper Pratt. Dwight Gooden. Oh, looks like we're going to be getting some patches. We got this guy again. I don't know how to say his name, but hey, that is a sharp looking card. Awesome. We will take a Jersey Kings any day. We got James Wood on the optic. Nice. And here comes our rated prospects Denton Head. Roman Anthony. There you go. Nice. Put him up there. Christian Moore and Carson Williams. All right. All right, so we got one of our hits. It'd be nice to get a RPA. I don't know if they have those in here, but definitely. Oh, Jack Leiter on the for my Rangers. We got who we got here? We got Andrew Walters, Big Poppy. We got Darren Baker, Bobby Witt, Pedro Martinez on the red and blue, Jim Palmer on the Statue of Liberty, Luis Baez, Dwight Gooden on the disco. Oh, and we got Panini points. We got Panini. Gross. All right. 150 points. Then we got Dalton Rushing. We got Heston Kjerstad. Bobby Witt on the Marvels. We'll take that. Yep. Sorry about that. So many cards. We got Billy. We got Owen Casey. Walker Jennings. And Tink Hence. That sucks. I mean, I would have rather than just give me another patch card. There we go. Dylan Cruz on the Raider rookie. Nick York. Jim Leyland. We got Rhett Lauder. Sebastian Walcott. Nice for my Rangers. Levy Sterling. Another Bobby Witt, and that is going to be on the Disco Donuts. And then we got Noah Schultz on the Raider Rookie Clear Acetate. Very cool. We got Roby on the another Donuts, not numbered. I don't know why you're backwards. And we got a Juan Marco on the Optic. Jet Williams. Drew Gilbert, Jared Thomas, Bryce Cunningham. All right. Keep it moving. And we get a whammy. Let's get a whammy. And Nolan Ryan, there you go. And Jordan Lawler, Catfish Hunter, Smoltz. We got a Carlos Beltran for New York. We got a Greg Maddux on the rocket ship. Okay, so you get the Rockets in here too. Alex Gordon. Carson Williams on the rated prospect. We got Nick Kurtz on the rated prospect. Darren Baker, rated rookie. Jack Peavy, optic. And rated prospects. All right, let's get these out of the way, and we'll get into our next box. That was super fun, except for getting a redemption points. Putting all of our hits over here. Got 3 Bobby Witts. And that Aaron Judge is sick. Then we got a Jersey Kings of that guy's name I cannot pronounce. All right, let's get into the next box. These things are super heavy. All right. Whammy, whammy, whammy. Get me a whammy. Take some autos too. I saw the Walmart boxes today when I was at the store. I might pick up some of them just to see if there's any exclusives. I'm not sure if I will or not, but we will definitely see. They're worth picking up. Definitely have more marbles. We got some football along the way this week. We got an epic mail day once I get a couple pieces I'm looking for that I ordered from eBay for my Doctor Strange collection. I can't wait to show you my Doctor Strange collection. All right, we got Bucky Dent on the red and blue. And we got a Billy Martin. We got a Trey Morgan on the rated prospect. There you go. Jack Leiter. Oh, there you go. We got a Heston Kjerstad on the jersey. Boo. So no autos, it doesn't look like. Maybe you get an auto and you can get an auto. Maybe that's what they were substituting that Junior Caminero. Nice. Austin Wells substituting that points for an auto. Rather have an auto, and I don't care who it is. There you go. Alright, let's get these out of the way here. Thomas Sagassi. Sure I said that wrong. We got Bert Campaneris, Chase Burns, John Smoltz on the donuts, Tim Kent's on the donut, Ken Griffey Jr. on the optic. Very nice. We'll take that. And then we got a Milestones of Kirby Puckett, 1,085 career RBIs. Nice. Pence, King, Sterling, and Kurtz. All right, third pack. Appreciate everybody stopping by. I know this isn't everybody's cup of tea. Get out of the way. Get to the good stuff. Brett Louder. There you go. Johnny Mize. Bert Campaneris. Sammy Sosa. That's nice. Trey Morgan. Spencer Jones on the Statue of Liberty. Nice little match there. That was Jordan Lawler. Mike Schmidt. And there you go. All right, 3 more to go. I do have some surprise Marvel boxes coming in this week, so I'll be on the lookout for that. Frank Thomas, the Big Hurt, let's go. Greg Maddox, Matt Shaw, Kendall George, Catfish Hunter, Tony Perez, all right, 2 more to go. Nothing yet. Those patches creep up on you. Alright, here we go. We got Connor Norby. Nice little Aaron Judge on the Statue of Liberty. That's sweet. We got Sasaki on the rocket ship. Braylon Daughtry. Adam Wainwright. Manny Ramirez on the optic. Buster Posey. Alright, and then Connor Griffin. There you go. Last pack contains the last hit. Let's see what we got. And it looks like we did get another relic. Yep. Not an auto. No Wagner. Got 2 of those. Alright. It's weird. Zerby Matthews. I'm sure it's really hard to get autos in these. Bobby Miller. Braylon Dalby. Cam Caminetti, another John Schmaltz, and then we got a Noah Schultz. All right, so we got 2 of those. Brooks Lee, Kobe Maya, and there was no numbered cards or anything in this one, unless I missed it. Jesus Made. All right, well, there you go. That's all she wrote. So we got the Noah Schultz on the Jersey Kings right here, not numbered. We got Huston Kjerstad, not numbered. And I'm going to say our best hit in there was the Aaron Judge. Hope you guys enjoyed the Mega Box rip today. You guys have a great Sunday, and we will talk to you guys this week. Peace.